Your collagen is dropping faster than you think. Imagine waking up every single day with naturally glowing skin, tighter elasticity, fewer fine lines, and a radiant, youthful glow, all from the foods you eat. Most people think collagen only comes from expensive supplements, but the truth is, our body can make everything it needs when you give it the right ingredients. Today on The Home Healer, we're breaking down the top 10 collagen-boosting foods you should eat daily for beauty, wellness, and anti-aging you can see and feel. What is collagen? Collagen is the most abundant protein in your body. It's responsible for skin firmness, elasticity, smooth texture, strong hair, healthy joints, strong nails, better gut health, and even better sleep. But after age 25, collagen production drops by 1% every year. And by the time you hit 40, you've already lost almost 25% of your natural collagen. That's why we see wrinkles, fine lines, dry skin, sagging, and joint stiffness. Your collagen is dropping faster than you think. Your collagen levels drop faster due to sugar and processed foods, stress, poor sleep, sun exposure, inflammation, lack of protein, smoking, dehydration. But the good news? You can rebuild collagen naturally. Top 10 collagen-boosting foods. Food number 1, berries. Berries are loaded with antioxidants and vitamin C, the main nutrient your body uses to create collagen. 1 cup a day equals glowing skin. Food number 2, eggs. Eggs are rich in amino acids and proline, the exact building blocks your body uses to manufacture collagen. Food number 3, bone broth. Bone broth is nature's liquid collagen. It contains gelatin, amino acids, and minerals that directly support collagen repair. Food number 4, citrus fruits. Citrus fruits improve your body's ability to convert protein into collagen. 1 orange a day is enough to boost production. Food number 5, fatty fish. Fatty fish like salmon and sardines contain omega-3 salts that protect your collagen from breaking down. Food number 6, avocado. Avocados contain antioxidants, healthy fats, and vitamin E, all essential for youthful, glowing skin. Food number 7, nuts and seeds. Nuts and seeds provide zinc and copper, 2 minerals required for collagen synthesis. Food number 8, leafy greens. These greens contain chlorophyll, which protects collagen and boosts skin healing. Food number 9, tomatoes. Tomatoes contain lycopene, a collagen-protecting antioxidant that keeps skin firm and youthful. Food number 10, garlic. Garlic is rich in sulfur, which prevents collagen breakdown and strengthens your skin's support structure. How to combine them daily. To boost your collagen every single day, combine at least 2 of these food groups: a protein source, a vitamin C source, a healthy fat, and a leafy green. Here are simple daily combos. salmon plus spinach plus lemon water, omelet plus berries, bone broth plus avocado, chia pudding plus citrus fruit, garlic sautéed greens, ja nuts. Collagen. Killers to avoid. Here are the biggest collagen destroyers. Avoid them as much as you can. Smoking. Excess sugar. Too much. Alcohol. Sunscreen. Neglect. Stress. Poor sleep. These age your skin fast. Seven-day collagen meal plan. Here is a simple 7-day collagen meal plan you can follow. Day 1, salmon plus lemon broccoli. Day 2, eggs plus berries smoothie. Day 3, garlic spinach plus avocado. Day 4, bone broth plus leafy greens. Day 5, nuts plus citrus plus chia bowl. Day 6, kale salad plus tomatoes. Day 7, mixed berries plus collagen-boosting tea. When you feed your body collagen-building foods every single day, you don't need expensive anti-aging creams. Your skin repairs itself, your glow becomes natural, your confidence rises. Start today. Your future self will thank you.